What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel with Exhausted. So today, as you can see on my left, I'm joined by Aaron from Car Obsession.
Hello!
And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing round 2 of the exhaust installation on Aaron's brand new MX5. Because, as you saw from the first video, it didn't quite go to plan. But what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking off the stock mid-pipe and back box and replacing it with a brand new Cobalt system from Moss. So without no further ado, guys, let's get under the car and install this exhaust. Some of the best MX5 exhausts in the game. So guys, what we're going to do is we're going to remove this support bar here. So we've got two 17mm bolts either side, and the reason to remove this is because when I fit mine, I didn't at first, and you can't get the exhaust out because it clashes on here. So you learn something new every time, I guess. But what we'll do is we'll put this on here. Now these bolts can sometimes be a bit of a bastard, but these ones are actually quite kind to us. That's nice. We're just going to go ahead and remove these. So what we're going to do now is we're going to remove the exhaust hanging bushings, or you can call them bushings or mounts, whatever you want to call them. They're basically these rubber mounts, and you need to pry them over. If you can see that the edge of this metal bar is flared, so we're going to basically pry them over there. I mean, sometimes you can do it by hand, but you know, we're going to use a screwdriver or something like that to take them off. And we've got two up there and then one down on the mid pipe holding it in. So the exhaust is completely disconnected from the underside of the car, so we're going to go ahead and take it out now. I'm going to lie underneath and kind of guide it out whilst Aaron will be at the back of the car pulling it out from the back. Well, this should be a lot easier than when I did it myself and did it solo because I'll be hopefully able to kind of guide it around things that we don't want it to hit, whereas I had to do it all by myself in the back, which makes it a lot more difficult. So let's go ahead and remove the old exhaust. And the old exhaust is finally out. Had a little bit of wiggling to get that out, but that's completely out. So guys, we're underneath Aaron's MX5, and what we're going to do, if you can see above me right here, we've got the mid pipe in place, just needs to be tightened down. But what we're going to do, we're going to tighten it down all at the end, so we've got a bit of wiggle room. Now we're going to put the back box on, so we've got the two screws ready here, and Aaron is standing graciously over there with the back box. So let's go ahead and put it on. I'm not going to film this because it's getting a bit dark and my camera is about to die, but it's as simple as bolting up two bolts onto, my camera can't see anything, onto this bit. So let's go ahead and bolt it in. So guys, the exhaust is finally on. Didn't take too long, to be fair. It took about an hour and a half all in. So what we're going to do now is we're going to turn it on and listen to the glorious sound of the Cobalt exhaust.
Oh, yeah.
So guys, it's been a long evening. Well, not too long, but we started pretty late, didn't we? We started about 7:30 and it's about 9, I'd guess now. But yeah, the exhaust is finally on the car. It sounds really awesome. I'm not sure how much justice my microphone does it, but it does sound really good.
It does sound nice, it's got a deep burble to it.
And I'll definitely be looking forward to hearing it actually driving as well. That will sound awesome. So when you're driving off home today, it'll be awesome to hear what it sounds like.
Yeah.
But yeah guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out Aaron from Car Obsession. His link will be on the screen somewhere on the description down below. Give it a massive thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and turn on that notification bell and subscribe for more of the latest exhausted content. And until the next one guys, adios.